Revenue Minister Karam Sham warns of demolishing all illegal constructions after 2014 on paddy lands. MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar strongly reacts against shifting the site for construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency to Kiamgai in Kairao constituency. Manipur joins the world in observing World Health Day on the theme Universal Health Coverage, Everyone, Everywhere at IMA Hall in Lafel Park. And Air Asia India launches direct flights from Imphal to New Delhi today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. CAF, NPD and Revenue Minister Karam Sham has announced for demolition of all illegal constructions after 2014 on cultivable paddy lands. The minister made the announcement at the inaugural ceremony of a public toilet in Laiching Maipao village in Technopole district today. The minister further warned that under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014, constructions of houses or any other physical structures on paddy lands are illegal. However, people have not abided by the law and continued new constructions on paddy lands. The Revenue Minister warned of stringent actions against anyone not abiding the law constituted for the welfare of the society. On the other hand, Karam Sham opined that as long as people in the state stay united in love and harmony, no outside destructive forces can disintegrate the state. He drew the attention of the people on Manipur's integrity by stating that it will be intact as long as different communities in the state continue to live in peace, love and harmony. Minister Karam Sham said he contributed in the construction of the public toilet, acknowledging the sincerity of the villagers of Laiching Maipao. He further assured the villagers of approaching the relevant ministers to carry out other welfare projects for the village. Chief of Laiching Maipao and many people in the area attended the event. Traditional songs and dance performances highlighted the event.
Miyoiba akoida nungsiba haiba potsak chimakak lairagadi akoi Manipur gi lairiba kanglup kaya khundariba akoi gi pokpham oiriba ima laibak se akoi kaidongwai da su kanaguma amatana di lahan puthuoga wala tainaba mai geida puraga thugaiba haibasti uiroi anduna akoi nungsi chanana laiminaba Laiminansi haiba taragadi akoi maselgi marakta wau phongnaba akoi Manipur jati ne hingba ngamise akoi isa sina akoi gi oiba traditional oiba wakhalonda akoi na ipa ipu gi hangtakta sanarma poksinche ngakna satpaduna akoi ngasi khundal leitadana ngami bani haibase ngasi akoi khudingmona kaupam thokte.
Deputy Commissioner Imphal East District in a press release has notified that computerized Jama Bandi Pata for 59 Sanjenbam and 66 Lamlai villages under Sub-Deputy Collector Sawombung Imphal East will be issued on April 11 at DC Office Porampat Imphal East during office hours from 11 to 3 p.m. MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar has strongly reacted against shifting the site for construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency to Kiamgai in Kairao constituency and maintains that there was no concrete reason for shifting the site. MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar, who was the former Deputy Speaker of Manipur Assembly, was addressing media persons at the site where the former State Chief Minister O. Ibobi, along with former Deputy Chairman State Planning Board Bijoy Koijam, then Health Minister L. Jentakumar, who is still holding the portfolio, laid the foundation stone for construction of the district hospital Imphal East in his presence. Lokeshwar said he has visited the SDC office Sagolmang before meeting media persons and got confirmation on shifting of the site. He said that land required for construction of the hospital is about 9.77 acres and out of which 5.42 acres were compensated. He clarified that the remaining 4.35 acres of land belongs to his mother, who had already announced to donate the land even if the government fails to pay compensation. Surroundings of the site were fenced with RCC by the previous government at a cost of 2 crore rupees. He alleged the present BJP-led state government of taking away rights to avail good medical facility from the people of Kundrakpam constituency. He said a JSC was formed in this regard and a public meeting was held where MLA Lokeshwar himself and other local leaders attended. During the public meeting, it was amicably resolved to let the Health Minister clarify to the public by April 9, failing which Kundrakpam constituency will be totally shut down from 5 in the morning on April 10. Academic, medical and other essential services, however, will be exempted.
fencing the Sakina Tabrava. Sabahore, Lamji the Sayan of Amata Latrava, Sashina Sakina Trava. I lame the Tari Shiri, she didn't get go in any legal Bangonto of 40 hours Matunga, after the Matunga, Carito to the head. Young views in his. I love today, I preside on the Shibasang Kanga, I preside on the I Tawaja Katogram, I am Matunga, Matinga, Laura, I told Tatana.
Peace and Development Coordinating Committee Sagolmang has strongly urged the BJP government for a valid response regarding a sudden change of location for the construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang to Kiamgai village in Kairao Assembly constituency. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee Thaudam Hemjit expressed disappointment and maintained that the shifting of the site for construction of Imphal East District Hospital, which was earlier announced to be constructed at Sagolmang and for which the former Congress government had even laid the foundation stone to another location, is unjustifiable. He added that then Chief Minister Okrami Bobby and Health Minister Jayanta Kumar had laid the foundation stone for the construction at Sagolmang on December 16, 2011. And moreover, Manipur Development Society had initiated the fencing of the hospital. Inhabitants of Sagolmang and residents nearby the hospital have been campaigning to expedite the construction. And moreover, Chief Minister Biren and Health Minister Jayanta Kumar had given the assurances that the hospital will be constructed at Sagolmang soon. Thaudam Hemjit strongly condemned the sudden shifting of the location without prior notice and further demanded a white paper from the Health Minister. He further maintained that the committee will extend all possible help for any movement advocating the construction of the district hospital in Sagolmang. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma exhorted, saying that National People's Party (NPP) will play a big role in uniting and bringing development in the northeastern states of India. NPP Manipur State Unit organized a felicitation program of NPP
has not
National
got the
President Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, other NPP ministers and NPP MLAs from Nagaland State Unit at Lamboy Khongnangkhong Football Ground, Uripok, Kangchup today. Conrad Sangma said that though the people of northeastern states are diversified, they have their own similarities. He said it is the northeastern people's trust and confidence in the party that NPP candidates have become ministers and are taking big roles in governance. He lauded the 2 gold medalists from Manipur in the Australia's CWG, Mirabai Chanu and Sanjita Chanu, and said they not only brought pride to Manipur but the entire northeastern region. Meghalaya PWD Minister Preston Tinsong, Home Minister James Sangma, Commerce and Industries Minister Snow Bhalang Dhar, NPP Nagaland, MLA Imnatiba and MLA K. Kumo were also felicitated today. As the host state, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Sports Minister Letpa Haukib, Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kaishi also attended the program.
Has not got the development that it has deserved. There is much to be achieved and much to be done out here. Seeing our ideology, seeing our belief, seeing our commitment for the people of the Northeast, many other areas and many other states will put their faith and trust in the National People's Party. There are a lot of programs that are taking place for the Northeast development. like the Northeast Industrial Promotion Policy, like the Act East policy, like the different connectivity programs for the Northeast. I am sure that if we put our heads together and our voice together and our hands together, I think we can get the maximum benefit out of these schemes, and we can take all our Northeast states forward and our region forward.
Manipur joins the world in observing World Health Day on the theme Universal Health Coverage Everyone Everywhere at IMA Hall, Lamphel today. State Health Society NHM, in collaboration with the Health Department, Manipur, and Indian Medical Association Manipur branch, jointly organized the observance. Speaking as chief guest, Minister of Family and Health Welfare L. Jayanta appeals to the medical fraternity to abide by medical ethics and urged them to teach junior professionals on medical ethics and its significance. He said connotation for the right to life also includes better health facilities, thereby appeals to medical professionals to be committed to their works to prevent medical lapses. A journal entitled Kaya Kalap Manipur 2017-18 was also released on the occasion. District Hospital Thoubal bagged this year's Kaya Kalap Award at state level in the District Hospital category, and CHC Wangoi and Senapati bagged the award in Community Health Center category. At the district level, Primary Health Center Andhra won the award from Imphal East, Mekola PHC won from Imphal West, Lema Pokwam PHC from Bishnupur, Nongpok Sikmai PHC from Thoubal District, Behang PHC from Churachandpur District, Komlathabi PHC from Chandel District, Jesami PHC from Ukhrul District, None PHC from Tamenglong District, and both Tadubi PHC and Paumata PHC from Senapati District.
It is immeasurable, but to save life is very, very important. I know Pesha Pyrakan and I was talking. Pesha Python is it comes in game. I have a Pesha Pyrakan I see. Pesha Python is the issue. But the young people Hingabagin having a Pesha Lapang, Pesha Topong, the Pade command together. That's it, Saga, the Kanga command together. Shall it be effort to come to the material problem? There may be so many problems, but the material problems solved of the material Kangus, but the people is not. That becomes the responsibility of the government.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said good health is the foundation of human progress. In his message on World Health Day, Mr. Modi welcomed this year's theme of the Day, Universal Health Coverage Everyone Everywhere, which has been chosen by WHO and others. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said it is the quest for health for all that inspired India to create Ayushman Bharat, the largest healthcare program in the world. He prayed for wonderful health and continuance to scale new heights of growth for all. People destroyed the office of Thoubal Project 1, Thoubal Dam, around 1 this afternoon. Agitations and blocking of the around 14 kilometers stretch of road from Leikoiching to Oksu, Ningthemcha village against its non-maintenance, which was organized by the Joint Committee of 25 clubs from Imphal East, Ukhrul and Senapati districts, which began yesterday, continued even today. Over 1,500 protesters marched from Moirangpurel Market to Thoubal Dam to meet the executive engineer. However, absence of the executive engineer in the office agitated the people even more, which culminated in destruction of office furniture and other items. Inadequate number of security guards present on site unable to contain the situation. Later, representatives of the protesters spoke with a relevant authority on phone and agreed to withdraw the agitation until coming Monday. Apunba Nupi Lub staged a sit-in at Lamphel Yaifa Laikai, Maira Paibi Shanglen, demanding to expedite the investigations behind the death of Huining Shungbam Thongamba, a student from Naremthom Kulem Laikai. President of Apunba Nupi Lub, Karam Tombisana, expressed apprehension at the lack of response from JJ Educare Center, where the late student was a boarder. She further urged to the authorities concerned to arrest those involved in his death at the earliest.
Angang hapa mi hapa je asika tang thi daga dandi pibiu angang je dolan dagi ondai haraga karamano magi masada tak pamambo laiti bano adubu kari marangi no angang je moigi isigunji gi mi singina lo salaga thammi je asika tang akoi puthok pa pami aduna ta de akoi yam nungai ro akoi pende akoi ju isu ija ama oina akoi ju nungai te kai gino haraga magi macha masu ta tho ju nungai gadra haba akoi nungai te ba.
Kongpal Kongkam Makhalaikai Nupi Lub staged a sit-in demanding immediate actions from relevant authorities against Kongpal Students Club, allegedly for false registration of Dag Chita of Kongpal Kongkam Laikai ground today. Members of the women organization at the sit-in held at Kongpal Kongkam Laikai ground expressed that people of the locality wholeheartedly support the construction of the community hall under the supervision of MLA Kurai constituency at Kongpal Kongkam Laikai and appeals to other localities not to interfere in the developmental activity of their locality. Speaking to media persons, Assistant General Secretary of Kongpal Kongkham Makhalaikai Nupi Lub, Gina, condemned Kongpal Students Club, which was established at Oriental Youth Club in Kongpal Nauroibam Laikai of Khetrigao constituency for allegedly acquiring land pata of the ground in question unethically, and further appeals to the club not to hinder any developmental activity undertaken for their colony.
Iraikai asigi praja singi mawama pau amta tadana wahang pohong biramdana huranlona da 2016 ge Augusta moina daksitha pairamba se akhoi yajaningde mari leinaba department masi yengsinbire haraga thigapire haraga masibu kakthat piu athuba matamda kakthat piu haiba wafam si thamjage aduga akhoi constituency akhoi challiba khurai gi constituency da laibiriba Kongkham Laikai asida development tawurakpa matamda KSC na ayepa apanba pibiganu akhoi gi Kongkham Laikai asida sariba community hall asida KSC na ayepa apanba pibiganu.
Managing Director of Women's and Youth Development Trust, Oina Milan, clarified that all allegations on the trustees of Kwai Nagamapal Trustee Women's and Youth Vendors Welfare Union, which is a unit of Women's and Youth Development Trust, for collecting money from people on the pretext of providing market carts and stalls at the market are found to be false. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Oina Milan stated that after a thorough investigation, no such activity were found to be carried by the trust. Milan assured of swift action if any individual has any valid evidence proving the case otherwise. Milan further urged the mayor of IMC to convert his promise of allotment of stalls at a temporary market into actions at the earliest.
Kwai Nagamapan trustee di kanguna paisa khairi habase masine ba akoi na huji kanna ai inquiry tawjare numima tu ni inquiry tawjare masir akoi gi secretary president na masida masem to paisa khairi balite madu kai gumba proof pi ba ngam na khaire na khoi na si paisa ji khaire haina puthok pi radi madu tawbiningba lobiningba akoi da kanu lobiu action lobiu kai su kaide aduga kari gumba परमान जो पीब ngамरोइदबदा चिन कांगजै तारगा अखोइबु ट्रस्टी मैमबु अवाफमदा ताननबा सिनबिबदि तौबिगनु ख्वाइ.
The Court of the Honorable Special Judge Pokso Imphal West today announced a 15 days judicial custody remand to Irom Rakesh. The perpetrator, who was arrested on April 4 under Section 6 Pokso Act for sexually abusing a minor, will be again produced before the court on April 22 for further hearing. Irom Rakesh, alias Nauba Singh, 25 years, from Lamboy Khungnangkhong, a school van driver, sexually abused the minor 5-year-old girl on April 3, and he was arrested the next day by Imphal West Police after an FIR was filed against him by the parents of the minor. He was under police custody the last 4 days. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a trekking expedition entitled Ultimate Challenge 6, which was flagged off today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A trekking expedition entitled Ultimate Challenge 6 was flagged off by former MLA of Naria Pakanglakpa constituency, R.K. Anand, this morning. The trekking expedition organized by Kumari's Woodstock School in Mongshangai was flagged off by the former MLA R.K. Anand from his residence in Kwakaitil, Akhamlekai. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Anand lauded for organizing the trekking expedition for trekking fans and hoped that such expeditions and sports will enable Manipur to become a drug-free state. He further calls for promotion of such events and further expressed a desire for parents to encourage their children to involve in sports activities. Altogether, 13 individuals, including 10 students and 3 officials with expertise in the field, are part of the expedition. Air Asia India has launched direct flights from Imphal to New Delhi today. Air Asia India will now provide daily airline services from New Delhi to Imphal, Imphal to New Delhi and New Delhi to Bangalore. Air Asia India now provides airline services to 19 destinations in the country, including hubs at Bangalore, New Delhi, Kolkata, Kochi, Goa, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Pune, Guwahati, Imphal, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Srinagar, Bagdodra, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar and Chennai. APD Airport Authority of India SK Panigrahi and Commandant of CISF Imphal International Airport Deputy KK Wangkem and members of Air Asia All-Star Imphal were present at the launching event. College Week celebration of Kula Women's College Nambol, which commenced on April 2, concluded with the closing event held at the college indoor stadium today. Prizes were distributed to state toppers in BSc and other streams examinations 2016-17 under Manipur University and winners of various sports and cultural events competition held during the college week were also felicitated at the closing function today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Nambol constituency and Loken appeals to both the teaching and non-teaching staff of the college not to be disappointed that Kula Women's College, the only women college in Bishnupur district, was left behind in the recent upgrading of 6 government-aided colleges into full-fledged government colleges, considering the students of the college, and hoped that government will upgrade the college into a full-fledged government college at the earliest. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Professor S. Tiken, principal of the college, Dr. N. Joy Kumar, teaching and non-teaching staff of the college and students took part at the event. A musical ensemble based on Indian classical music was held today at Bal Mukunda Dev Music College in Palace Compound. The function was held under Cultural Function and Production Grant scheme of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Speaking at a function, eminent art critic Buddha Tingtham stated that the advancement of martial arts in the state from the ancient time cultivated discipline and spirit of sports and other cultural activities in the state. He said our forefathers used this as foundation for developing spirit of sports in the community. Students of the college performed a musical concert at the event.
Prehistoric minds in the command of the heck all of the Sana Tanum, say by the Lanting of the Sigumba Masiki Arts, Lanting of the arts in Matumba Poser, but Madam scientific efforts on the systematically equate the town type of what the set, Masi war, art and winner, Sangulans, Machine, Equijatis, and the good society.
New age and innovative cooking stuff produced by Synergy Engineering and Environmental Solution SEES can save not only time and conserve firewoods, but it is also environmental friendly. Speaking to media persons, chairman of KM Blooming School, Kangabog, KH Menzor, asserted that the innovative cooking stuff will save huge amount of woods which are utilized for cooking in school boardings and other commercial enterprises. It may be mentioned that SEES, a company based in Imphal, launched the firewood cooking stuff last August, followed by its first trial in the school with one stuff in November last year. Speaking further, Menzor said after the successful trial with one stuff, the school boarding now utilizes 7 stuffs to cater to its around 1,500 boarders, including students and staff. The earlier over 3 hour taken for cooking meals has drastically reduced to just 1 hour. The stuff do not emit any toxic smokes and it conserves firewoods. He said earlier one load of Tata DI firewoods lasted just a week, but now it lasts more than a month. He asserted that though the innovative new age cooking stuff comes at 50,000 rupees, its benefits supersede the cost. Menzor maintained that when entrepreneurs from the state, like the founder of SEES, Bidhan Chandra Loitongbam, increases, Manipur will definitely develop. On the other hand, cooks and helpers in the boarding expressed that meals are prepared on time now and other inconveniences associated with smokes emitted from burning of woods are taken away with the new stuffs. It may be mentioned that Bidhan Chandra has earlier assured of making efforts to manufacture the cooking stuff in the northeast, which a company in Maharashtra, in collaboration with an American-based company, manufactures.
Yum sabagi matik lembado adagi nan gibagi jabra adagi makup lembado hanade do khone silerang sinaba yade hane lerang du ada hojiki dana adu sindu loina sinaba yaba aduna akoi hingon se da thoiba amot akai adagi matik mata mayam leiba singdo hoti lerang se da loina khoi sinaba yare aduna lam mot padagi save tawre matam su yam save tawre singda su save tawre adudagi matam da su save tawre adagi hiram kuding muta loina save tawre pheng muta su save tawre kuding maksi yong kanda lerang sina hanagi lerang du dagi 60% of the save tawre.
Public Hospital and Research Institute of Hataminutong, Imphal East observed its 17th Foundation Day today. As part of observing its foundation, a one-day awareness cum blood donation camp was also jointly organized by the hospital and Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization in association with Department of Transfusion Medical Rooms at the hospital premises. The awareness cum blood donation camp was sponsored by State Blood Cell, National Health Mission, Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines, chairman of the hospital, Mohammad Azad Khan, urged the public to donate blood and added that the hospital holds the medical camp for the welfare of the society.
Manipur miyamda thamjaningba apel de tasen akitu jung raudana ai mamal leina khalebi ido aingonda pithokhibadadi akaiba kai sulaiti aduga kanagum idar ka leiba mi gi di punsi kandoini singi sau thopa mafam sing awana thapar Manipur gi remote area sing su khoi health camp go dum chachai.
India have another goals to their kitty in the ongoing 21st Commonwealth Games. Weightlifter Satish Sivalingam won the coveted medal by winning the men's 77 kg event. With this, India's tally has gone up to 3 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. All the medals have been won by the country's weightlifters. CPIM Manipur State Committee in a press release congratulated the 2 gold medal winners from Manipur at the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games, Saikom Mirabai Chanu and Khomukcham Sanjita Chanu. The press release also said CPIM Manipur State Committee is proud of the 2 Manipuri girls for their efforts in bringing laurels for their motherland, which proves to the entire country that Manipur continues to be a powerhouse of sports, and further hoped that other athletes will also perform their best to bring laurels for the country. Manipur State Committee CPIM further proposed to the state government to arrange suitable posts for them. People for Animals, Manipur has rescued various wild animals. Y. Basanta, Councillor Ward number 5 of Shikong Sekmai Municipal Council handed over a Bengal slow loris rescued by one Y. Inau. He found the animal in the possession of some local hunters. Another slow loris was also handed over by one KH Nimai of Kumbom Mamang Lekai through Atom Somarendro, Secretary, Imphal West Students Club. One box turtle was handed over by one Konthaujam Pito from Yaripo. Pito found it in a drain near her house. 4 different species of owl like barn owl, scope owl were also handed over to PFA Manipur, one each by Lai Manai Youth Club Yaripok, Mohammad Shahrukh Khan of Thaubal Moijing, Pangambam Basanta of Yaripok Kekru and H. Manauton of Nongpok Laurembam. However, out of the 4 owls, 2 barn owls succumbed to the injuries. Khong Chingba Observation Committee in a press release informs that Khong Chingba program will be held on July 14 at Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School Police Lane. The committee also said gifts will be distributed to elderly persons above 80 years and informed that interested individuals may contact the committee's office in Uripok for further details. BJP Wangkhem Mandal, Thaubal District organized a one-day booth-level training program under Rashtriya Parikshan Abhiyan at Yaripok Bishnu Naha Community Hall today. National Vice President of BJP Mahila Morcha A. Sharda Devi spoke on schemes undertaken by the NDA government, while leader of BJP Dr. Bor Babu spoke on the history and development of BJP at the training program. President BJP Thaubal District L. Deben, BJP leader Dr. Haubam Borbabu and other BJP members took part at the training camp. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Revenue Minister Karam Sham warns of demolishing all illegal constructions after 2014 on paddy lands. MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar strongly reacts against shifting the site for construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency to Kiamgai in Kairao constituency. Manipur joins the world in observing World Health Day on the theme Universal Health Coverage Everyone, Everywhere at IMA Hall, Lamphel Parks. And AirAsia India launches direct flights from Imphal to New Delhi today.